Hiningal na agad.
It was always on fire, our house, our dream. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls.
Morning. Bisa na tayo. Hindi, ito may chocolate dito. Ito.
Uy. Ano to? Wow.
Ganda. Ayos ah.
Ay.
Odin.
Ingat! Yano! Yano!
Sama daw siya sa picture. Oh. Bigat-bigat eh.
Yano! Halika na dali!
Si ano din. Uy,
Yano!
mamaya kung saan pumunta yan. Baka may makain ba to?
Ito na, Nana! Dali, Nana! Oh! Galing nga!
Oh, malamig. Gulat ka no. Alam mo ha.
Wow! Ang galing! Yana! Yana!
Uy, baka malunod yan. Beauty.
Nawala na.
Ano?
Ayaw na.
Eh! Kaya pa?
Tara, tara, tara.
Batin mo na.
Uy!
Dito malalim ha.
May kabayo pala. May kabayo pala na siligo.
Kalasan damo.
We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was drunk, you showed an open door. Living in a doubt.
Dito na sa aring araw. Aring araw. Araw-araw. Uwi na tayo pa.
Uwi na, nagsaing na eh. Nagsaing eh.
Ayan, water test daw po ng iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 TB fully paid. Ayaw ba mo? Water test.
Wala yung ano ha, oh. Wala yung...
Yabang. Okay.
Wala yung ano ha, oh. Wala yung...
Kabado ka, kabado ka. Sa mga
Di mo na
walang...
ako sinabi.
Kasi, alas 7 pa lang ng umaga. At sobrang lamig pa ng tubig. Breakfast ulit. Bago pumunta sa susunod na camping spot. Kain muna tayo para may energy tayo pag drive. Ha? Yung aso natin nag-enjoy ah. Grabe mo pa rin talaga ah.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled.
Ay, balikan pala ako nag-ano.
Sarap.
I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind.
Nakahirap yung tanong sa mga.
Blue and faded,
Nasa Palawan ah.
blown
Pero
away
lahat, yan ang
and left behind.
na mineral.
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze.
Naami si Beauty oh. Beauty, huwag ka daw pakipot. Beauty. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? Hmm. 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 Ang gusto din niya eh oh. Kulit ng buntot eh oh.
Ayan silang sorry store. Tapos, Christmas corner. Meron sila dito, pavilion. So, yan daw guys, meron siyang 2 rooms. Tapos, good for 8 packs na yung 8,000. Then, pwede naman siyang additional. Hanggang 20 packs daw to. Pwede i-accommodate. Then, additional na nga lang dun sa mag-e-excess. So, mag-e-entrance sila. 200 per head lang naman yun. So, yan guys. Tingnan natin. Kompleto naman daw yan. May 2 rooms. Tapos, may mga beds. Then, may ref. May water. Ganda naman dito guys. Ito yung sura niya. Sarap dito. Lamig. Talagang pag gusto mo ng preskong hangin. Ito, meron pa rin dun parang room din yun, no? O, diba? Pag gising mo sa umaga, ganyan yung makikita mo. Sarap. Nakaka-relax. So, yan. Ito yung kitchen nila. Okay din. Yung mga nagka-camping din dun, no?
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I I saw you, I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right.
Pauwi na tayo guys. Ay, hindi pala pauwi. Papunta na tayo sa next next spot. Nakakapagod pero solid to, solid. Maganda yung napuntahan nating lugar. Talagang tahimik. Maganda yung yung ilog. Lahat. Ilog trippings muna tayo.
Woke up lonely, and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
Ong farm vibes Pakinggan mo yung kanta ko. Oo, ano ng beauty mo? Haba ng dila eh. Haba. Ayun ang ating bagong ngayon. Si Ava. Ating Toyota Avanza na 7-seaters. Anong masasabi mo sa ating bagong
Super ganda. Super nice.
Morning, good morning, good morning! Another day, another adventure! So ngayon papunta tayo sa papunta tayo ng Mahayhay Falls. Nandito tayo ngayon, galing din tayong camping guys. Galing tayo sa HNB. Masarap ba tulog nyo?
Oh, sold.
Ako hindi.
Relax na relax.
Oo.
Ganda dito sa Laguna guys kasi marami talaga ditong mga ilog.
Dito
Lalo na
tayo
dito sa
gagawin.
Mayhay. Liliw Mayhay yan. Kahit sa mga
Parang
daan.
sarado yung daan dito pa, di ba?
Kahit sa mga daan, makikita mo.
Boss, lusot ba dito sa Mahayhay? Okay, hindi pa.
May ava ka na.
Ayun si Abo.
May ivy ka pa.
Oo nga, may aba na ako, may IV na, parehas magastos.
Ikaw ang magastos.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no
Lambon?
Malayo pa, hindi pa nakakatawid ng ilog. May tawid-ilog dyan. Ayaw mo na, ate. Waka mo.
Tuloy tayo pa ako na yan.
Ay, hingal na agad.
Walang Diyos.
Hingal na agad.
Oh, ang bigat eh, oh.
Oh. Oh. Hingal na. Oh. Pagod na ang beauty ngot. Nananahimik daw sa bahay eh. Yan.
Beauty, patag pa naman yan, beauty. Pero, ayaw mo yan. Para pumayat ka.
Oo nga naman, para pumayat ka.
Walang ganda na yun.
Oo nga oh. Yun oh. Ito nyo yun, guys. Lapit na tayo.
Oh.
Kunti na lang.
Alam niyo ba yung punong to, ang tawag dito, Kolalabang?
Dahil
Scientific name na Sauruia lactibra.
bacteria choice. Kita nyo yun, guys. Ganda, ganda. Puntahan natin yan. Puntahan natin yan. Siyempre, kung saan may maganda, pupuntahan. Bundok dito, mayaman talaga sa tubig. Kaya yung mga tabing daan, makikita mo na lang, may mga parang maliliit na falls. May mga ilog. Ano? Pagod na. Diretso pa daw tayo.
Hindi mo ramdam ng pababa.
Oo. Hindi mo akalain na pababa ka dito kasi maganda yung daan. Yun o. Lapit na. Hindi na lang. No, let's go back.
Life is a winding road,
Kaso ang daming tao.
no telling where it goes.
Yan, malino o. Ganda.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Yay, may apoy na.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Yung nag-iiyaw yan.
Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
I put
Oh,
my
bilisan mo na.
feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
See you again soon, mga hi Falls. Daming tao eh. Balik tayo kapag ano, konti na lang yung tao dito. Uwian na. Saan tayo, Mal? Sunod. Mal. Bakit? Bakit? Si Papa? Ano? Nataihin doon sa paa. Sino, May? Hindi, sabi na tumain. Ito mineral, oh. Ito na pangugas, ito. Bango pa naman yun. Huwag mo natin. Bakit kaya?
Ganda pala dito, kuya.
Kaya nga. Oh. Picture mo kami, May. Doon ka sa baba. Dito kami sa taas. Ayun nga. Ganda nga eh. Sarap na shake. Natural falls, oh. Sarap dyan, oh. Ligo ka, ligo ka. Ilams ka? Ayos yan. Dun sa taas. Kaya mo? Oh, Walam talaga, oh. Ha? Baliktad. Dun sa baba malamig. Diyan mainit. Inumin mo nga. Sa bukal. Pataas yun. Ang taas niyan. Wala ka namang maliliguan eh. Oh.